Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? Hope you are good. So as you can see that thumbnail, the title is How long does SEO will take to show the result in Google search engine result page? So if any people or if any client will ask this kind of question that how long SEO will take time. So this kind of question is really frustrating and it's really complex to answer this question. Okay. So generally the SEO will take longer time depend on which keywords you are working, right? But today I will tell you total 3 key strategy and that will help you to do your SEO effort smartly and definitely it will work in your website. Okay. And before going to the 3 key strategy, I will tell you some story. Okay. And that story is definitely related with you. So it's a real story actually. Suppose one client came, if you're working with a freelancing, that website Fiverr, like that kind of website, if you're working, so there is a client, okay, and came to me and asked me that I want to rank in my Google search result page with these keywords, okay. When I check that keywords is really high competitive keywords. The CPC of that keywords is very high and the volume, the traffic volume is very high. Okay. And the client is saying me that I want my result within 30 days, within a month, I want that result and I will give you the money, whatever you want. Okay. According to the result. So if someone asks me or if your client asks me this kind of question, what will be your answer? I want to listen from you. If he is asking that I will give you money, you just give me a result within a 30 days and it's an SEO related result. I want it will be a Google search engine result page, top of the result page. Okay. So do you think that it's really work and I will take that project? So it's my answer. According to my answer, I will go through. No, I can't promise you that your result will become into a top search in the result page within a 30 days. It may time to take 4 months, 6 months or an year, depend on which keywords you want to rank for, right? So that's why I will go for that 3 key strategy. It will works and please try to evolve this 3 key strategy in your website so you can do your SEO effort so smartly. Okay. So the first keyword is competition. Okay. The competition keywords, it's really helpful. Suppose let's take an example, a plumber which give you plumbing services in your local area. Okay. So that person definitely little competition on that area compared to one broker who is working in a real estate industry. Okay. And he is serving, that broker is serving in that particular city. So that person is definitely less competition than the person who is handling a mortgage company. It's a national mortgage company, is working in MNC, he is the owner. Okay. So that MNC definitely hired some good SEO professional expert and he is try to capture the market and he is try to capture the market with the help of best SEO expert because he don't want to lose customer because the competition of that market is very high. Okay. So the as the competition is very high, definitely the difficulty is also high. Okay. So I can show you the graph also. You can see the graph. Okay. As here you can see the graph is as competition is high, so the difficulty is also high. Okay. So that means once you take the keywords which is more difficult to rank in the search engine result page, definitely you will put good effort. With smartly effort, then only your keywords will rank into the search engine result page. Okay. So that much of competition is there in the market, guys. So I will suggest you before go to that any kind of keywords, first go to the keyword research tool, keyword research analysis. There is various tools are available in the Google. Okay, you can go through that and you can take help that which keywords are less volume or sorry, which keywords has high volume, high CPC and less traffic also there. Okay, it's a high traffic and the good CPC, and also that competition is less. Okay, that competition is less. You definitely go through that. Then only you go to that keywords and you can go to the SEO effort, on page SEO, off page SEO, and it will work properly. Okay. So my second strategy is inbound links. Okay, as you know, inbound links nothing but is a backlink which plays a significant role for your content. When you writing the content, definitely you goes for the linking, right? So inbound links and backlinks which help you to give you more trust about your website. Okay, and if you take the links from the high domain authority, high authority website, definitely it goes to a positive signal to the search engine, which will help you to a good SEO effort. Okay, but again, in that inbound linking or backlinks, in the real world, that some of the SEO expert or an agency, they are going for the manipulating the linking services. Okay, so what they are doing, because they are working for a project and they are working for the client, what they are going, they are try to buy some links. They are giving money and they are try to getting some links automated. Okay, and if you giving money and getting links, do you think that Google will not understand? Definitely Google algorithm is so smart, you can't manipulate any kind of links. Okay, so there is two kinds of links. One is natural links, one is unnatural links. So I will show you the natural links is, as you can see, the natural links graph is completely normal. There is no spike is available. It's completely natural. Okay, and this kind of graphs will help you to get the links from an high domain authority website or any kind of domain authority website which help you a natural links. There is no manipulating. Okay, and there is second kind of links are also available, that is unnatural links. I will tell you what is unnatural links. You can see the unnatural links are, see the unnatural links. Whenever you buy some links from any kind of other agency or other kind of website by giving some money, immediately you can see the graphs, it's and spikes are coming, right? So suddenly your linking in your content is high, increasing. Again it is decreasing, right? So the graph is again increase, again decrease. So it will give a signal to the search engine that you are trying to manipulating your inbound linking or backlinks for your content, which goes in bad impression for your website. Suppose you work for a client and a client got a project, wow, in a week, in a 30 days or in a week or in a 60 days you got my results, I got my result. Yeah, definitely that keywords is working, I got my result in a second position, but it will not work for a longer time. Eventually, if you check in Google Search Console, they will take a mail and they will give you penalty on your website. Okay, because it's an black hat SEO practices. Okay, so the second inbound linking strategy, please go through that Google Webmaster Guidelines accordingly, so you will definitely your SEO effort will work correctly. So the last but not the least, the third key strategy is, that is, first is competition, second one is inbound link, third one is content. Okay, as you know, content is the heart of the digital marketing, or you can say it's a key of the digital marketing. Okay, so if you write the content, suppose I write the content of 300 words, someone saying, okay, it's a thin content, it's a less words content, so Google will not approve. So friends, it will not like that. If you write 100 words, 300 words, but that content should properly deliver to the user solution. What user is looking for, Google want to deliver the best result for the user. Okay, it's not like the 300 words or 100 words, but according to Google Webmaster Guidelines and some other videos which is developed by Matt Katz, also Google employee, that if you write the content of more than 1400 words, definitely that content will work and that content will appear into the search engine result page. That's a signal. Okay, according to that, there is more than 200 ranking factor. I'm not going for that. According to that, ranking factor is also involved, and some of the update. Suppose some you content today you adjust or modify the content, okay, which is written when 2018. There is a new update came recently in Google. You need to update the old content also, okay. Some of time you are deleting the content, so that goes all kind of signal to the search engine, okay, and that will affect on your content. So these three key strategy, again I told you, competition, inbound links or backlinks, and third one is content. If you three key strategy are involved in your content properly and do your SEO effort, okay, don't practice kind of black hat SEO practices. Like according to Google Webmaster Guideline, you should follow like an good SEO expert, professional SEO expert, wherever you're working. Please go through that, and definitely you can see the result. Organic traffic, it will be appear on your website, okay, and your website will rank for the search engine result page, okay. So that is for today's video, guys. Please work for that. And before finish my video, I will request you to please subscribe my channel, okay. And thank you those who are already watched my previous videos, and please like my videos, please share it with your friends, so it will helpful for them also. So they have any doubts or queries, definitely you can comment me, okay, I will reply you and as per my knowledge, okay. So for today's, this is enough. And yeah, from you, I would like to hear from you. What is your update? Thank you.